Hello guys, we're playing Roblox. We're gonna play the marble. Yeah, Roblox. Again. Yeah, this is. Yeah, we got. Yo, please come on. What is taking forever? Yeah, okay. Yes, that is so easy. Why am I a marble? Yeah, this is cool. Do you know that the hacker is Tubers93? Yeah, it's also kind of a hacker. It hacked the Meep City, and I don't know how to do it. But yeah, I don't know. This is just an example, guys. Example is not new. Yeah, why am I spinning so fast? This looks so freaking cool. Please, come on. Ayo, what? Ah! Wow, I am falling. This is so relaxing. Yeah, it's so relaxing. It's gonna relax my brain. This is anti-stress. This can delete your stress. This can relieve your brain. Okay, I look so dizzy. Why am I so fast? Am I running like Sonic? This is so damn big, bro. There's so many obstacles here. How the heck am I going here? Yes! Thanks. Okay. Let me not get that. Yeah, let's get to another game. Every 2 minutes or a random minute, I play in another game. Because unlike Brookhaven, it's also kind of boring. You cannot find anything interesting in Brookhaven. Yeah. What am I waiting for? Yeah. And you know, oh my god! Wow! Okay, that was a fake one. Bridge! Okay. Did you sell Walking Head? 26 million visits? That is so realistic, but it's just there's so many sound effects. Unlike Roblox sound effects. Please, go! Stupid head. These are not funny, bro. You cannot laugh. Just so. You niggers. Yo. Stop stalking me, niggas. No! Not the scientist head! Okay. That was so stupid. It was not funny at all. It was so stupid. Please. Oh, the wrong one. Jump! Shop. Please stop. These Stephens. Shop! Team Rocos. Okay, I did that 100%. What the heck was that? Please stop. You're just an idiot. You niggas. No! Stop it right now. These are niggas. This is so catastrophic. Yeah. Shop. No. Another catastrophic one. Catastrophic. Yeah. What kind of stupid fucking game is this? No. These are hits in Ohio. These are heads in Ohio. Can you stand here? Why are you kissing me? Why are you side-eyeing? Why are you kissing me? You're mewing. You guys just stop. Yeah. I said why those stupid heads? They're like babies. I think you're scamming. Easy. That is so easy, bro. That is so fucking easy. Oh! This is so catastrophic. This is super catastrophic. No, please. No. How these jerks chasing me? They look so naughty doing this. They look so quirky. They are so fast and so... Not again. Are you kissing each other? No. What? That was a bug. Yeah, never mind. That is a giant scientist head, bro. The heads in Ohio. I should not say it. If you call me loser, you're deleted in the channel. Yeah, 118. I mean 118. Manato 48. I saw a YouTuber playing this, and I play this. Is there someone? Yeah, there's no one. This is so easy. This is side. Okay. I don't know how to describe that. You go. Oh! Put the wrong head. I took the wrong head. No. That is a Shakespeare. That is so easy. I played it so many times. It took me 8 days. Not again. This gets a creepy room. Yeah, these rooms are lanterns. Yeah, please do not chase me anymore. Yeah, easy. The first one is so easy. The second one too. The third is so easy now. Yeah. This is a... No! I got jump scared. A creepy head. Please do not jump scare me. I'm begging you. I took the wrong direction. Do not chase me. Are they two heads? They're just so quirky. They're just jerks. Yeah. Go. Go. This is so satisfying. Always so satisfying. You cannot deny my opinion. Yeah. And I am in my arrogant opinion, this is... Oh, please stop attacking me. This is so annoying. Stop attacking me. Stop! These are so quirky. They look so quirky. Looks like I'm laughing. Annoying today. If this is 1 billion visits, I play this for 55 days. If this video has 1 million likes, I play this for 1 second and end it. And delete it. See, stop! You're cheating! Yeah, this game is trash. I don't know. It's so laggy. What do you mean by try not to cry, Abby? 2 million visits? Or else should I say 500k visits? Yeah. I've never played this game before. Yeah, I'm in R6. I'm in R6. This is so easy. This is so easy. Yeah, don't you fall. Oh! Yeah, I'm not cheating. Trust me, I promise. I'm not cheating. If you cheat, you will be banned. If you say F word 100 million times, Roblox will ban you, never to be seen again. That's why you should never say F word in Roblox. It's kind of violent. Yeah, I don't trust you. What is the right one? Easy. I made it stage 9 for 26 seconds. Yeah, it's not at the trophy. Yes! What is happening? Yeah, never mind. What is happening here? Yeah, why is it? Yeah. No. Where is it? Human stage 12. Yeah, but no, it's still 9. Why is it so weird? Yeah, if you love Epic, I love Epic so much. It gives me nostalgia. I wanted to relive because Epi is so nice. Egg! Fundamental paper education is better than Boys Basics. Fan-made. Nothing is better than fan-made. Nothing is better than fan-made. Yo. Yeah, this is so catastrophic. Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Palit kasi kayo eh. Hindi dapat kayo mahal eh. Bogin ko yan.
Oh my. Yeah, this is so...
Ba't yung pinatulaan mo ang papa?
This is so catastrophic. Yo, that's the first stage. They were just noobs. Yeah, you could have defeated. They're just noobs. No! I should beat this game immediately. Ugh. What? What is this? Okay, bro, let me play this. Let me freaking play this. Windows XP or something. I want this money. Okay, see you in the part 2, guys.